Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your projects in Canva really stand out using lines, shapes, graphics, and charts, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize these elements to create more polished and professional-looking designs, even if you're brand new to Canva. So let's jump right in and get started together. First things first, let's get into Canva. Go ahead and open up Canva either in your browser or the app and log in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's really quick to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Canva dashboard with all the options for your next design adventure. Now look for the Create a Design button. It's usually right up at the top or on the side. Give that a click here where the magic starts. Instead of picking a preset size, let's customize ours so we have the exact workspace we want. You'll see an option for custom size. Go ahead and select that and type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. These numbers might seem small, but they're perfect for learning the basics without getting overwhelmed. Once you've set those numbers, click Create New Design. Canva will open up a blank canvas just waiting for your creativity. This stage can feel a little blank and intimidating, but think of it as your virtual piece of paper, ready for you to sketch out your ideas. Now let's add our first element, a line. On the left side, there should be an Elements tab. Click that, then scroll down until you see Lines and Shapes. Adding a line might sound simple, but it's actually super useful. Lines help break up sections, underline important information, or even just guide the viewer's eye across your design, kind of like drawing borders or highlighting ideas in a notebook. Next, still under Elements, choose a shape. Maybe start with a rectangle or a circle, drag it onto your canvas. Shapes are more than just decoration, they can be used for backgrounds, buttons, or to frame certain information. For example, placing text inside a shape makes it pop, especially if you're creating something like a poster or a graphic for social media. Let's keep ramping things up and add a chart. Under Elements, look for the Charts section. Charts might seem a bit advanced, but they're really handy for making data or comparisons easy to understand, say, for a school project or a business presentation. Choose a chart style you like, drag it onto your canvas, and play around with the data. Canva lets you customize it right there, so you don't even need to leave the editor. Ready to get creative? Let's add a graphic. Search for anything you want, maybe stars, computer, or whatever fits your project, then click to add one in. Graphics help bring a design to life. They can reinforce a theme, add a bit of fun, or help explain an idea visually. And here's the best part, there are so many more elements to explore. Stickers, frames, photos, don't be afraid to experiment. Each element in Canva is like a tool in your art kit. Mixing and matching lines, shapes, graphics, and charts can help you build incredibly engaging designs. And that's all it takes. In just a few steps, you've learned how to add and use lines, shapes, graphics, and charts in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a like. It helps the channel a ton. Got questions or want to share how you're using these elements in your own projects? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more easy-to-follow Canva tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.